Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class we will discuss about Boolean indexing of NumPy array. In the earlier class we had seen normal indexing. In this class we will learn about Boolean indexing. Boolean means true or false. Only two conditions are there, only true or false. Okay. So based on the true or false, how we can index an array or select an required elements of an array, we will see now. Okay. So for example, the same old example we had taken here. So up to here everything is same. From this point some difference is there. So you had faced some need, that a need arised such that you want to find the numbers which is greater than 3. That's it. You need to select the numbers which are greater than 3. Then how you have to select the numbers which are only greater than 3, but not all the numbers. That type of need arised. I think suppose like that need arised in your work. Then how you have to deal with that need. Okay. So in NumPy array there is a concept called Boolean indexing. It supports Boolean indexing. Okay. So how it works, let us see. So after we had instantiated all these things and array was created, 3 by 3 matrix array was created. After that, like that, if you give ARR greater than 3, because in the couple of classes back we had discussed that NumPy array supports broadcasting and vectorized operations. The same concept was applied here. ARR greater than 3 means what this bit of code do. So this bit of code will check each and every element in the array. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will check each element with the number given and the operator given, whether the number is greater than 3 or not. So 1 is greater than 3, so it is false. Say the resultant array was look like this. So 1 is greater than 3, no, false. So false will be substituted here. And then 2 is greater than 3, false. Yes, false was substituted. And 3 is greater than 3, false. It's false was substituted. And 4 is greater than 3, yes, it is true. True will be substituted. And then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, rest of all the things, this condition holds true. So that's why all this at all these positions, this x will become the Boolean. So the resultant false, 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 true, 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 at the appropriate positions of these numbers will be available in the x variable here. After checking all these things, the same 3 by 3 matrix will come, but in that matrix we don't have numbers, but we have booleans. Booleans means true or false. After checking this condition, appropriate numbers will be substituted by their conditional outputs. Okay, up to this point I think it was clear to you. False, 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 true, 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 true. 3 by 3 matrix was formed in the x variable. Okay, now what is our aim? Our aim is to extract the numbers which are greater than 3. That means we don't want 1, 2, 3. We want 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That too we are using it as by using Boolean indexing, we are filtering the unwanted things, we are extracting the wanted things, required things. So for that we had given this one a Boolean matrix was formed, and the Boolean matrix was given to the array variable in a square brackets instead of numerical indexing. That point is very much important here. In the earlier class we had given numbers as an index separated by commas and colon, but here we have passed Boolean matrix. So inside what will happen means this matrix will be mapped with the array here. So whatever the trues are there, that elements only will be extracted and formed as an array. Wherever false is there, that numbers, that items will not be appeared in the output. That is the phenomena here. Okay, so let us do it in the Jupyter notebooks. Let's have a clear cut idea. Go to Jupyter notebook here. Yes, here we have used numerical indexing. Now we are using Boolean indexing. Let us cut it out. Okay, up to here there is no doubt. Let us for example take array greater than 3. Let's enter. Here you see now the equivalent 3 by 3 matrices of Boolean data type was formed after comparing each and every element with the number given. Okay, and after that we had let's assign it to the x variable, so that this Boolean matrix will be available in a variable called x. Okay, now type the x. Okay, now we are mapping that resultant Boolean matrix with this one. Which one? The original array. That means x. Okay, so this matrix and this matrix will be mapped, and wherever the true will come, that position number only will come in the output. Wherever the false is there, that false numbers will not come in the output. This is the functionality of Boolean indexing. Instead of giving numbers as an index, we had given Booleans as an index. Let us run it now. At the output there is no number which is less than 3 is appearing here. All our numbers are greater than 3. So this is all about Boolean indexing, friends. In the next class we will discuss some more topics in the NumPy. Till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.